talking about problems that get solved with Alvys TMS. One of those is document management. So for example, without Alvys, invoicing can be delayed and cash flow can suffer because of manual processes. For example, when a BOL or a POD gets uploaded via email or even another digital app, the matching and the reconciliation of those PODs to a load is still mostly a manual process, and that just wastes time. So with Alvys, the driver has the mobile app, so they can upload the PODs at the load that she just delivered. So now the accounting person or the billing person doesn't need to match a bunch of paperwork to the correct load. So time is saved. Invoicing happens more quickly, drivers get paid more quickly, and the cash flow overall is very much improved.